Ever dreamt of turning your stunning Canva designs into interactive, fillable forms? Today, we're bridging that gap, transforming static PDFs into dynamic documents with Dochub. First things first, let's grab your existing PDF from Canva. Once your design is complete, go to Share, then Download, and select PDF Print. As your file type, hit that download button. Now, head over to Dochub.com. You'll see a prominent area to upload your PDF. Simply drag and drop your downloaded Canva PDF into this space, or click to select it from your files. Once your PDF is uploaded, Dochub will present you with a variety of tools to make your document fillable. Look at these options on the side: text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, dropdowns, and more. Let's start with text fields. Click on the text field option from the toolbar now. Simply click and drag on your PDF. Where you want a user to be able to type, you can resize these fields to fit perfectly within your design elements. Need a place for a simple yes or no answer? Select the checkbox tool and place it where you want your user to click. For multiple-choice options, use the radio button tool, ensuring you group them so only one can be selected. For more advanced selections, the drop-down tool is your best friend. Click it, place it on your PDF, and then you can add your specific options for users to choose from. Continue to add all the necessary fillable fields to your design, tailoring them to the specific information you need to collect. Once you're happy with all your interactive elements, look for the Apply or Save button to confirm your changes. And there you have it. Your static Canva PDF is now a dynamic, fillable form. You can download it again, ready to be shared and filled out by your audience with ease. Turn your beautiful designs into powerful tools with Dochub.